Hey guys, it's Beth from Cantata Wellness with another table talk. And I want to talk a little bit today about massage therapy and kind of moving towards online education. The program that I teach at in Colorado and the program that I run in Costa Rica both have online elements to them. So we consider them to be hybrid programs. Um, you're taking a lot of your theory and anatomy and physiology online, and then you come in and do the hands-on portion of the work in a live setting. So we consider that to be hybrid. Massage is slow to move that way. There's still a lot of concern as to whether massage students can really um, become good massage therapists if they're doing an online program. And I really believe they can. Um, but I think the quality of the online education really matters a lot. Um, the program that we do through Cantata Wellness really gives you a lot of opportunity to spend time with your instructors. We have virtual office hours, we do Zoom classes, we do some work where when you're at home, we're still palpating together and doing things together. There's a lot of interactive work in our program, and I think that makes for an engaged student. Now, I do know a lot of us as massage therapists, we're tactile learners already, so it can feel a little isolating to do your work online, and that's why we like having a lot of office hours and a lot of opportunity for you to connect one-on-one with your instructors. We're always available through email. We do Zoom calls weekly. And so it's important, I think, for us as massage therapists, and I will say I'm a massage therapist, so I get this, that we want to touch and feel, and it's important to be tactile in our education. So as you're moving towards an online program, really look for one that fulfills all your needs. I know it's great to be online because you can work it around your schedule, but I want you to think about what that program offers you and whether you're getting what you need out of it. Thanks for listening. I appreciate you guys hearing me out. Um, I really don't want to toot my own horn so much as I want you to be really aware of, as we move more and more towards online education in massage therapy, that you find a program that really suits you. And if it's not mine, I get that. But I'd love for it to be mine. So, anyways, if you've got questions or concerns, feel free to DM us. Also, we love likes and subscribes and comments. So, we love to hear from you. Take care.